Last time, we discovered that the air is a real, heavy ocean wrapped around our planet. So now, let's solve a mystery you feel on your skin almost every day. Why does the wind blow? What actually makes a great mass of air get up and move? As with so many things on Earth, the story begins with the sun. But here is the important part. The sun does not warm everything evenly. Look here. When the sun shines down on the land and the sea side by side, the dark, dry land drinks up that warmth and heats up quickly. But the water is different. Water is slow to warm, so the sea stays cool. And just like that, we have made a difference. Warm air sitting over the hot land, and cooler air sitting over the cool sea. That little difference in temperature is the engine of every breeze there ever was. Now, do you remember what warm air likes to do? It is lighter, so it rises. So over the hot land, the warm air floats up and up, leaving a bit of empty space down below. And nature does not like an empty space. So the cooler, heavier air sitting over the sea comes sliding in along the ground to fill it. And that moving air, that cool air rushing in from the sea, is a breeze you can feel on your face. Up high, the air drifts back over, cools and sinks again, and the whole thing turns round and round like a great slow wheel. So really, all wind comes down to one simple rule. Air flows from where there is more of it to where there is less. Where the air is cool and sinking and piling up, we say the pressure is high. Where it is warm and rising and thinning out, we say the pressure is low. And the air always slides from the high to the low, trying to even things out. That flow, that sliding of the air, is the wind. Always. Let's hold on to what we've learned. The sun heats the land and sea unevenly. Warm air rises, and cooler air rushes in to take its place. That moving air is the wind, and it always flows from high pressure to low pressure. So the wind is not a mystery at all. It is just the great ocean of air, trying to spread itself out evenly. And here is the big, satisfying finish. Take that one little rule and stretch it over the entire planet. The whole spinning Earth, warmed unevenly, day and night, over oceans and deserts and mountains. All that air, forever rising and sinking and flowing from high to low. That is what weather is. So the next time someone says the weather is just random, you will know better. It is never random. It is the sun and the air, following the rules every single time. It is just wonderfully complicated. So the air above us is always moving. The water is always moving. Our planet, it turns out, is restless all over. But surely, one thing stays perfectly still. The solid ground beneath your feet. It feels like the very definition of steady, doesn't it? Well, next time, we are going to dig down deep and discover that even the ground is on the move. See you there.